if you're new here, hi, my name is xThuyLe. You're tuning into another vlog. So I was watching so many of these day in the life videos and I was like, oh, I really want to film one of these videos. And I was literally debating on whether I should do one when I have loads of events, when I'm running around London, when my life seems so glamorous. But then I was like, Thuy, that's like once in a month that you're dressed up and bougie like that, you know. Most of the times I'm literally in my pajamas filming at home. So it is like 12 o'clock now, guys. Oh my god, my day gets started so late. I normally wake up around 9. I have so many emails and stuff to do around 9 to 10. I'm on my phone for a little bit as well. I literally just had some food, had a shower, brushed my teeth, and I literally just applied a moisturizer. So my sister's gonna be coming around later. If you guys don't know, my sister is my little PA. She just basically gets my life in order. She kind of clears up my makeup room, organized stuff for me. So I'm gonna see her a bit later. But today I really wanted to do a foundation test video. So we're gonna do a little bit of like a get ready with me. This part of the vlog is sponsored by Kat Von D. Thank you so much, Kat Von D, for believing in me and wanting to work with me. I honestly can't believe it when brands want to collaborate with me, especially when it comes to stuff like my vlogs and stuff like that, because I love filming just like more casual videos. Sometimes I love this whole setup and my whole backdrop and everything, but sometimes your girl just wants to get ready, you know, just like chilling. It's gonna be super chatty. So I'm gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna put on a little head wrap. I'm gonna go with a primer. This is the Kat Von D Hydrating Primer Base. It's a bit more of like a thicker base, but it's really nice and moisturizing. I literally just love this on all over. I always go in with a primer whenever I'm wearing foundation because it makes your foundation last so much longer. So I'm not going to do like a full beat or anything today. I'm literally going to do makeup that you'd wear for work or for school. Just something super quick. Okay, so look at my skin. Look how moisturized that made my skin look. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be trying out the new True Portrait foundation. This packaging, look at it guys, it's just gold. It looks like a perfume bottle or something. So before I take any sponsorships, I always want to test out the products first. So I was trying this product out and I was like, oh my god, this is so different for Kat Von D. If you guys have tried their previous foundation, it's a very full coverage foundation. You can even cover up like tattoos and birthmarks with her other foundation, but this foundation is very different from that one. It's a lot more runny. It's a bit more like a medium coverage, but it kind of dries down to a powder finish, so it lasts all day. So I'm in the shade medium 030. You have to make sure that you shake up the foundation. It has like a little ball or something inside. The applicator is more like a dropper, so you can pour it directly on your face or you can pour it onto your sponge. And this is like a medium buildable foundation. Oh, just gonna do a little Instagram video while I'm here, I guess. And then I'm just gonna use the Kat Von D number 10 brush. I really like the shade because it has a really nice olive undertone and it's literally such a quick foundation to buff on. Normally you guys know that I always use like sponges and stuff to apply it on foundation, but I find this one works better with a brush. Okay, so I just applied on just one layer of the foundation and I really like the coverage. It's like a lightweight medium coverage. You can definitely build it up if you want even more coverage, but on the skin it feels super lightweight. It doesn't look heavy or feel heavy on the skin, and it is a liquid to powder formula, so you don't even have to set it if you don't want to. The foundation also comes in 40 shades, which I am loving, by the way, that so many brands are just like bringing out loads of shades as soon as they drop. I just think that's amazing. So I think this foundation would ideally be best for someone with oily skin, but I have more like normal to dry skin, so when you use it with the hydrating primer, it's perfect really. There's no dry patches or anything like that. Even though it says it dries to a powder finish, it doesn't look flat and cakey. It's also vegan as well, you know, cruelty free. Okay, so underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Lock-It Concealer in the shade M17 Warm. I just want my under eyes to be a bit brighter. Concealer always does a bit of wonders, especially last night. I had the worst sleep ever, guys. I didn't sleep until 2:30 in the morning, hence why I woke up so freaking late. So I'm just taking some powder just to set everything. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Medium 140 powder. Look at this packaging, by the way. It looks so cool. It looks like a candle stamp. I actually love this powder so much. I use it all the time, especially underneath my eyes. It gives you a really good coverage. Okay, so I just quickly put on my brows. Super natural. I literally just filled it in ever so slightly. And then I just put on a bit of highlighter, a bit of bronzer, all that kind of boring stuff. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This one has a really fine nib. It's almost like a calligraphy pen. They have loads of different eyeliners at Kat Von D. They have one called the Ultra Ink Liner. which is also like a pen, but this one's more like a felt tip. And then they also have the Inkwell liner, which I love the packaging of this. Like, it comes to a sharp point, and this one's more like an actual ink well. So yeah, I guess it kind of goes with the name, you know, Inkwell liner. It's actually Inkwell. Duh, tweet, duh. So the one that Kat Von D Beauty is known for is the tattoo liner. So I'm gonna go with that one. And basically, this is what I do, guys. I hold my mirror and I point it downwards so I can see right up in my lash line, and I can get it so close to the root of my natural lashes. And I basically just want to slowly do like a little dot to dot situation. So I do like these little small dashes, and then I just literally connect the dashes. And because it's more like a natural everyday look that I'm doing today, I don't want anything like too crazy. I'm only going to put on a bit of mascara today, no lashes. So. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see the liner is super nice and just thin, just so it frames the eye a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Go Big or Go Home mascara. This brush is super fat, so if you love volume, you love length, this brush is like perfect. Look at that, super black as well. So I'm going to do it on one eye so I can show you the difference. Look at that compared to this, guys. It just makes you look so much more awake. Okay, so I'm just finishing up my mascara now. Look at that volume, guys. Oh my god, my lashes look so freaking long. I applied on a little bit on my bottom lashes as well, and then that's it, we're done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Look at my lashes. That mascara is literally insane. And the liner, hopefully you guys can see, it's super thin. I didn't do a wing or anything like that. And then this is the foundation close up. It looks so flawless. I literally done one layer as well. A little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, bit of lip balm, and that's it. I'm out of the door really. So gonna run a bit of errands today. I need to do a bit of editing. But yeah, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and let's go and do some editing. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little wear test of this foundation as well. I'm gonna let you guys know what it looks like by the end of the day. So now I'm in my little editing nook. So yeah, I'm gonna be editing here for probably the next 2 to 3 hours. I have my little editing buddy here.
Hey guys.
You love watching my face?
Thuy's calm now, so she's turned off my music.
Gran loves editing with music, and I'm just like the annoying one that wants to edit in silence. Gonna do some editing. This is honestly what I do in a day. I'm just sitting at this computer desk for hours and hours. Sometimes it could be 2 hours, sometimes it could be 8 hours. Hello, we have a little Chanel here. She likes to help Gran edit.
Go on.
Go on, Chanel, edit away. Yeah, Chanel, you are so efficient. Okay, so it is 5:30. I managed to edit 2 Instagram videos. That's how long it takes, guys. Every single day I post these Instagram videos, and each one takes like an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours each to edit. So yeah, I am literally so tired now, but the foundation is actually still going strong. Liking it. It's got a bit of a natural dew coming out. I don't know how Gran edits all day, sometimes for like 12 hours straight, just sitting hunched over on a laptop. I need to like go and stretch my legs and like go clean out the makeup room or something.
You need to go away. I can't concentrate when you're about.
I don't even talk to you while
I'm
here.
Kill my mojo. It's so quiet, boring.
While I'm waiting for my sister, I'm going to edit one more video, and that should take me to about 6:30. I'm going to try to edit it Speedy Gonzala. I think the quickest I've ever edited a video was probably like 45 minutes, and that's a very rare occasion. Loving licking the packet, are we?
I lick my fingers as well.
Ew! I am currently uploading a YouTube video. I need to do the thumbnail and all that jazz, guys. Look at all these sweets, guys. Oh my god. So this place called The Sweet Shop literally sent us this big box of goodies. Oh my god, I literally can't decide what sweet I prefer. I really love these milk bottles. Hello, can you speak in the vlog, please? How about you? She always gives me that stanky paw. Thank you very much. Okay, so we have a special guest here. Hello, you're finally back on my channel.
I know, it's been a long time coming, guys.
Yes.
But I'm back.
If you guys haven't watched any of my other vlogs, this is my older sister, aka my PA. She helps me with everything, she organizes everything, and you have a big job today because the mess is so real right now. There's suitcases that need to be unpacked. My bedroom is horrible. There's so much clothing in the washing hamper thing that's already been washed but it needs to be put away.
Oh my god, I just look at this and it's already a stressful moment.
I know. My foundation has been on for a good 7.5 hours now. So, what do you think?
Ooh, it's very glowy, isn't it?
I know, it looks good, like really, really natural. I decided to do like a natural look, just a bit of mascara, a little bit eyeliner.
Looks really skin fresh, I like it.
Yes, okay, my sister approves. So, you're going to be working on all of this today.
Chanel's going to be helping me.
Chanel, you've got another personal helper. There she is. Hello there. Paw. She always gives you paw. If you ever need a paw, trust Chanel. So yesterday, me and my sister went to do our nails and look, this is so cool. Oh my god, okay. The camera doesn't do this justice, but Sammy killed it with my nails again. This is all with stencils. Like, how cool is that? It looks like my nails are like 3D printed. And each nail is different as well. Like, this looks so cool. I love it. I need a flash. Okay, so these are my nails with the flash. Look how pretty they look. They're like so nice, holographic. Every single nail is a different design. So pretty. And then this is the other hand. I love it. Look at this one, guys. It's got little watermelons on it. So cute. This is my favourite finger, I think. But I love it. Okay, let's see your nails.
This is called cat eye effect and she's got the 9D cat eye next time.
Oh, yeah. I really like these. We've both gone to the dark side.
I know, but your one looks more colourful than mine. I'm so not used to having dark nails and I just find it, oh, every time I look at them, I'm like, oh, is this me?
Oh, look at marble. Like, look at that.
Yeah, it looks so cool. I didn't know what colour to go for. I ended up deciding to go for like a purple pink effect.
Chanel, oh, your paws are lovely. Let's see, where are they there?
Where's your fingernails, huh?
God, join in on the chat. Oh my god, guys, so I'm literally just opening up some PR package and look, I've got sent this eco cube. It's literally like a wooden cube and it's got an aloe vera plant inside. I wish I was into my greenery a bit more, guys. Let me give you an update on Princess Consuela banana hammock. As you guys can see, she isn't doing so good. She's got all of these yellow browning spots and I was in denial for a little bit and I was like, no, they were always there. But now every time I look at it, I'm like, this wasn't here before. All of these spots wasn't here before and I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. Like, the soil is moist, it's not dry. Someone told me that they think that it's because of the light, because there's so much light in here, it gives off so much heat and I don't think this plant can handle it. So yeah, I don't know what to do, guys. Help me with some suggestions below. Okay, back to my eco cube. Oh my goodness, this doesn't look like there's seeds in there. Okay, I meant to put 30 ml of water. How much is 30 ml of water? I don't know. Okay, guys, so I tried to water it and it didn't go so well. It was over spilling and everything and I didn't know how big 30 ml was. So fingers crossed it's gonna look like my other little aloe plants right here. Just like these fake ones that I bought from IKEA. So maybe in 3 months time I'll give you guys an update. Okay, Hongalina, how was your holiday? You was gone for 3 whole weeks. I had to fend for myself and clean my own room for 3 weeks.
Didn't do much cleaning, I have to say. But guys, I had a whole 3 weeks off. I thought that that was all I needed. But I feel like I need a holiday to get over the holiday that I just came from.
I know, right?
Oh my god. I'm so jet lagged. I'm so tired and it's been like a week into returning back. I wish I did 2 weeks away. And then 1 week at home doing nothing.
You should have done that.
I just feel like every time I get a holiday, I'm like, oh, I want to live my youth. And guys, can you believe I arrived home at 9 PM the night before, and in the morning the next day I went to work.
I do not know why you done that, and you went to work on a Friday. You should have put that Friday off.
I know, but girl, I got responsibilities, I got bills to pay, I got things to do, and I had deadlines to meet. So, you know, me being the responsible me, most people would have called in fucking sick, you know?
Yeah.
I have to say, pat on the back, because I'm so proud. I've been there for like 10 years, not a single day sick, baby.
Oh my goodness. That's what you call a goody two shoes, guys. My sister has never called into work sick.
Okay.
10 years.
Let's spill the beans. What have you called sick in for?
I remember calling in sick and I was on a job though that day. So I used to work on a makeup counter and I remember I couldn't get out of work, I couldn't swap my shift and I had this other amazing opportunity and I didn't want to let that opportunity go because it was paying me a lot more than what the counter job was paying me. So I remember going into the bathroom and I was like, I'm so sick. But I thought that I was doing what was best for me and my career at the time. And also, this is how close I am to losing my shit.
Whoa, come out!
So while my sister was cleaning up, she found this little bag here, and it says, "Dear Thuy, open me for a brighter day." So I got gifted this in a PR package, and it basically has some lovely comments from my followers.
So this is from James M's. "You make everything work and you are hilarious." And I agree with that.
Oh, that's nice.
Nothing but fun for you. So refreshing and honest. Keep it going.
Sometimes with this job, it's so hard to like not be as harsh on yourself. So little comments like this is like so sweet. Okay, so this is from @AlexQ. If you're watching, thank you so much for your comment. "I'm not even done watching you and you're already cracking me up. Haha, had to pause and give you a compliment." Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad that I'm hilarious and I can make your day. Ha ha ha!
Guys, I do honestly feel that Thuy is actually really funny. I don't know whether it's a bias thing because she's my fucking sister, but hey, I always replay, free triple time replay, especially videos when I'm in it. A bit of glorify for me.
Guys, we have been obsessed with our new Nintendo Switch. Honestly, I've been taking it everywhere with us. We've been taking it to hotel rooms. We've been playing late at night time, and I'm obsessed with this game here. It is called Overcooked. It is the best £20 I've ever freaking spent. So what character do you want to be? Oh, that looks like you. Oh my god, look at that resemblance. The hair, the glass. Okay, that's you. Okay, so basically this is the game. Okay, there's gonna be orders up on the screen, and you're gonna have to prepare the order. So fishes are here and prawns are here, okay? And you have to move around and get the fish. And then you chop them up.
What did it take? Oh.
And then you go plate up thing, and then you put it into the order, okay? So super easy. Time? Yes, you got 2 minutes, okay? That's it, look, yeah, that's it. Chop up the prawn.
How many times I need to chop it out?
Yeah, pick it up now.
Pick it up.
And then put it on a plate.
Oh shit.
That's it, and then pick up the plate. Pick up the plate again. Okay, now look at the order now. What's next?
It's the prawn.
Okay, why are you going over there? Go over to the prawn.
Oh my god. Pick it up. Oh, why didn't I go to the further one to chop it up?
Yeah, that's it. Oh.
Where's the prawn gone? You stole my fucking prawn.
Go. 12 seconds left, bitch. 12 seconds. Pick it up.
I keep pressing the wrong button.
Run. Go get them.
You fucking stole all my prawn. Let me chop you up, Gwen. I'll chop you. Aggression got to the end, man. I'm chopping him instead of the prawns.
Okay, guys, so it's basically 10 PM at night. It is 9:56 PM in the evening. So my makeup has been on for almost 10 hours. I haven't touched up my makeup or anything like that. I haven't even like wiped my eyelids. Normally my eyelids get really, really oily, but I literally haven't even had a chance to like sit down or do anything all day because I've been so busy with emails. I've been editing all day. Then my sister came round and we just had so much to catch up on after our holiday. But yeah, guys, the foundation still looks really, really good. I look a little bit oily maybe on my nose, but considering I haven't topped up anything throughout the day, I haven't repowdered anything, I think my skin actually looks really, really nice. If you want something that's long wearing, buildable for every day, it's a nice medium coverage, so it doesn't feel too heavy on your skin at all. It's actually really, really lightweight, but it still gives you coverage at the same time. So yeah, if you guys like the finish, I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to check out Kat Von D. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I am so grateful. I can't even believe that brands like this even want to work with me. I always feel so grateful whenever I get these opportunities. So thank you so much for you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm thinking to do Vlogmas this year, where it's basically little vlogs like this throughout the month, and I just want to kind of update you guys on my life. Sometimes I feel like as a blogger, sometimes it seems so glamorous, like you're always running around going to these glamorous events, but most of the times we're literally at home in our pajamas, editing all day, unboxing stuff, filming videos just like this. So I hope you guys liked it and saw maybe a different side of blogging. It's definitely the side that no one really gets to see. I definitely spend 90% of my days like this, and then 10% is going to on these trips and going to these amazing events and stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm actually gonna go wash off all my makeup, go have a nice cold shower, gonna wash my hair as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, see you soon. Really love these water bottles. This is the water bottle, bitch. Little Sleeping Beauty. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Give me some more. Smack that. Till you get sore. Smack that. Oh. Are you sleeping as well? Why is the whole house sleeping? You're sleeping. He's sleeping. All the boys are sleeping.